Hi everyone, welcome back to Hashtag Network. In this video, I will show you how to convert Word document into PDF file in just a few clicks. Whether you are using Microsoft Word or other tools, this method is quick and simple. Let's get started. Open your document, go to Files and select Save With. Choose Location and in the file format, drop down and select PDF. And then click Save. And your document now is converted into a PDF file. If you don't have Microsoft Word or want another option, you can use free online tools like Small PDF or I Love PDF or Adobe Online. Simple upload your Word document and the tool will convert it into PDF file for you. Then just download your PDF and you will done. And that is it. Converting Word document to PDF file is that easy. Whether you can use Microsoft Word or online tools, you can create a professional shareable PDF file in minutes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.